Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we're going to show you how to actually add a watermark to an image. So it is very simple. You can also go to any of the photo editing software, but I generally prefer for speed and for good quality is presentation is PPT, Microsoft PPT, and this is not a sponsored video. So there are many more options that you can try like Canva, Photoshop, and stuff like that, Snapseed. But I, for no reason, I just prefer presentation because it just give me the speed of delivering my projects on time. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to set your photo ratio to 9 is to 16, and then you just need to drop the photos in the slide. And once you are all set, after doing this, you just drag your logo and you simply drop it on your photo. Okay, so basically then what you do is you simply place the logo in the middle, and then you click on picture format and you put your contrast to 100% and your saturation also to the full, because that actually gives the sharpness to your logo. And then the next step is to add transparency to your logo by around 50%. It's okay if you keep 55, 60 also, but generally 50 is preferred for every photographer and architect, designer, anyone, because it gives 95% of the visibility to the photo. So if your logo is not basically it should not have a background. So generally your logo will be something like this, that it will have a background like this, a white clean background. So what you need to do for that also I'm going to teach you. Simply drag your photo, go to remove background, and simply drop your photo. And just in a few seconds, remove bg will completely remove the background of your logo, and you simply download the free preview version, which is as good as the max quality, just for logos I'm telling. Not for, of course, not for the important photos. So after doing that, again the same process of placing it in the center of the photo, and then going to picture format and keeping contrast and saturation at the highest level possible. And in the picture transparency you go till 50%. And as I told you, it is okay if you keep a little up or little down, but basically 50% of transparency is generally preferred. So this is how you can put your logo, watermark, on your photos as a photographer. So as a photographer, I will also suggest you that it there is no rule that you have to keep your watermark in the center. You can keep it in any corner of the photo that you want, or in the center, whatever feels great for you or whatever is good for that specific project or that specific photo. So there is no set rule that you have to put your watermark in the center itself. So this is the basic process of adding a watermark to your image. So as I said, you can use any of the software that you want to put your watermark in it. There are also very plenty of free watermark adding websites also. And also I taught you that how to remove a background in a photo. So if you found this video useful, then share it with someone who may need it.